Okay, hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, T Radebe, back on your screen once again. Ooh. Okay, so before I even get into anything, so I've got some new subscribers and I want to say welcome. Hi, welcome to the family. Yes, where we keep it honest. Okay, we keep it honest. We give each other life advice, as we go, because we know this life thing ain't that simple. It can get tricky at times. And today I'm coming to you barefaced, beautiful, no makeup type of vibes, because you know what, it's winter in my country and it's cold, all right, and I'm trying my hardest to literally stay motivated to create content, because the weather is just not my best friend right now. And don't worry about my skin, it's not doing well. Since this quarantine, it's been a bit tough on my skin. But so today we are going to be taking down my braids. You're going to need a plastic of some sort. And then my shears were here. I promise I'm shooting in my room. My shears. No, they are. There we go. Got my shears. And we're just going to pick one. Okay, we're just going to pick one of these baddies. I've had these installed for about a month. And I'm already tired of them. I'm sick of them. I just miss my hair, honestly. So last time I checked, my hair was about, let me see, but it's in twists. Okay, let us not be too, okay, this might take a while. Oh, look at this. Oh no, look at that. Product build up. Look at that. And oof. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. So to remove this product buildup, I'm going to take my spray bottle and pour in some 3-minute conditioner with some water and apple cider vinegar, just like maybe 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar or 3 spoons. Water it up and then just spritz this, and it's actually, it's gonna help me take out this buildup so much quicker. But that's the amount of growth I have. Well, that's what I'm thinking now, but I will definitely measure my hair on camera and show you guys. And that's kind of where we are right now. That's quick length check. This is where we are. And okay, then we are going to spray that like that, and it should start to Alright y'all, so I have undid my hair. We have moved locations. We are in my bathroom and we are just gonna quickly just wash my hair, put it in a deep conditioner. I am going to be using organics products once again. I mean, there's a lot in here and I gotta finish it, so yeah. So I'm gonna shampoo, deep condition and deep condition. I'll show you guys all the products that I'm gonna be using, so let us not waste any time and get right into it. Okay, so my mic is connected. Not sure why that happened, but it did. So anyway, let's see what we have under here. There we go. Okay, looking nice, looking nice. Oh man, my hair feels so soft. It feels really, really, really soft and clean. Look at that. It already has shine just from the products I used. Look at that. Yes. That's why I'm here. Oh man, I missed my hair, not gonna lie. Let me quickly grab my measuring tape and we should be good to go. Okay, I'm gonna I'm gonna use the yellow one. There's a yellow one and there is a pink one. I'm gonna use the yellow one, and then we're just gonna measure the front of my hair so that, you know, we can see if my hair is actually growing or it's playing games. Okay, so it's about that much. Okay, inches side, we are going to measure that okay, as that much hair, and that is 7.5 inches. And then just without measuring as of yet, it's about, okay, that, oh wow, okay, my sides are quite long and I have a straight head like that, and that is about right over there. Then I'm going to take my measuring tape. Okay, so that's where my hair is on this side, and that is 8 inches. Wow, that's interesting. Okay, cool. And okay, my head is straight. I'm not doing this. My head is straight, and it's also 8 inches. Oh wow. Okay, cool. So now that we have measured my hair, now everybody knows how long my hair is, and people can stop asking me how long my hair is. That's how long it is. And then, so the twist I'm going to be making today, I am going to use, you guys already know what's in here. You guessed it, aloe vera juice. And then I'm going to use my DIY cream. If you don't know how I achieved this aloe vera juice and this aloe vera cream, I will link my aloe vera DIY video in the description box. And then we've got some oil. Again, this has aloe vera, and the whole video shows you how to make these three. If you haven't checked it out, I suggest that you do, so that you know why my hair is growing, you know, so that you and I can be on the same page, and then my hair and your hair can grow together. And then I am going to be using this. Okay, then this is the first time I'm using this, so I don't know how it's gonna go. It smells nice, has an interesting consistency. It's not too heavy, but it's medium thickish, if that makes sense. Okay, then this is my leave-in conditioner, by the way. Then I'm going to take a nice amount. Oh my goodness. Okay, maybe that's a bit too much. Okay, this is a lot. Please don't take as much as I did. Oh my goodness, girl. Okay, so it's the 23rd of May and I'm only taking down this hair. I decided to put them in a little just braid them again. Okay, let me just take these down for you guys. Ooh, what? Oh, okay, that was quick. Oh, that looks nice. What you guys think? Oh wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay, this looks nice. Okay, let me do the rest. Alright guys, so I'm done with my hair. I hope you guys like it. I've never worn my hair in this hairstyle, so for me it's a bit new. It feels like I don't know what's going on with my head. Like honestly, it just looks like there's a lot going on, and then there's like a lot going on, and I feel like I have a small face, but okay. We just gonna put that to the side. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It took me forever to create it, so please like and subscribe and leave a comment and just say you did great, sweetie. Even though you don't agree, just say you did great, you know, because wow, it took me literally 3 days to put this content together. If you see a white thing moving, that's my dog. Say hi. There we go. That's Lola. Yeah, I'm shooting in my room. Anyway, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yay, subscribe. Boom 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 boom. We out.